Okay, identify a probability that describes each of the following phrases. So, what probability describes the phrase a certain event? So what's a certain event? That's B, 1. Right, because 1 is the same as 1.0 decimal is the same as 100%. So percentage and decimal, those are two languages to say the same thing, like 1 or uno. Those are two different languages in which I'm saying the same number, 100% and 1.0 decimal. That's two languages, percentage and decimal, that are both saying the same thing. So 1 or 1.0 is the same as 100%. That's a certain event. Part B. So an impossible event. What's impossible? 0. Right? If there's 0 chance of something, it's impossible. Let's go down to part C. A very unlikely event. What's a very unlikely event? A half? No, it's half and half. 996 over 1,000? No, that's pretty likely. If you divide that in your calculator, that's 0.996. That's a 99% chance. 1, that's a certain event. What about 1 in 1,000? Yeah, that's 001. There it is. 1 in 1,000 is very unlikely. There we go. Okay, let's try part D. Which probability describes the phrase an unlikely event? Unlikely event. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I do the wrong thing? I did not read the question. It said a very likely event, didn't it? A very likely event. So this answer should have been here. Very likely should have been there. 0.996. And then this one, an unlikely is 1 in 10,000. There we go. And then finally, which probability is 80%? Well, if you divide these on your calculator, just take 4 divided by 5 in your calculator, you'll get 0.8. If you take 2 divided by 25, you'll get 0.08. If you take 1 divided by 10, just turning all these into decimals, you get 0.10. And 8 is just 8. So which of those is 80%? This one, 4/5. 0.8 is the same as 80%.